private equity and venture capital firms are betting big on the India's healthcare sector. PE and VC deals in 2024 have surged 84 transactions from last year's just 62 transactions in 2023, which is signaling a growing investor confidence in the healthcare sector. However, the deal value, that has seen a bit of a shift coming in. Investments in hospitals and clinics have fallen sharply from $4.6 billion in 2023 to just $1.2 billion in 2024. Also, what we're seeing as a shift coming in terms of funding, where has it moved? Medical equipment, if you see that has seen a five-fold jump in terms of the amount that has been invested for this sector by PEs and VCs is a sharp jump there. Reflecting that, everyone wants to focus a bit more in terms of the growing focus on technology and innovation, specifically in the healthcare sector. Now, move on and talk about global investors who are eyeing this sector. There are big names that have come in. We have KKR, Blackstone, TPG, among some of these names where you're seeing the deals specifically happen in the last 2 years. KKR's Healthcare Global obviously made an announcement just yesterday, 2025. We had TPG's Manipal Hospital acquisition that came in 2023 as well. And Aster DM and Quality Care's merger in 2024 was a big one that we were watching out for. KK's Baby Memorial Hospital was an important one as well. Now, obviously, there are other deals and mergers that took place as well, and specifically an increase that we saw coming in 2022 and onwards till 2025. We saw an increase coming in, and post-COVID, this is something that led to an increase in terms of investments from PE and VC in the healthcare sector. M&A activity is also heating up as the DM acquired Care Hospitals, Max Healthcare took over JP Hospitals, as well as Fortis acquired Shriman Super Speciality Hospitals in the recent times. PE, when you look at it, there were a lot of exits that happened as well. Not only entries, there were exits that were there and which were big and notable. Now, Blackstone and TPG, there were important exits that happened on that front as well, especially in Aster DM's deal that happened, the Quality Care deal that happened. We saw a bit of entry and exits on that front. Overall, this is marking a $1.6 billion strategic exit that we saw happening in 2024. Now, moving on, Chris Capital as well as Apex Partners also made secondary exits in 2024, and in total, secondary exits for 2024 was valued at around $669 million. Now, what is driving the surge in investments in the Indian healthcare sector from PE and VCs? One, the sector remains quite underserved with only 1.6 hospital beds per 1,000 people, which is far below the global benchmark that we have. Healthcare spending, that is also just at 3.3% of the GDP. Compared to in US, it's at around 16.5%. In China, it's at 5.4%. So post-COVID awareness, that has also picked up pace. Insurance penetration is increasing, and medical tourism also is picking up fuel, and that will what is leading to the growth for the sector. And those are strong tailwinds, which is something that is attracting PE and VC investments in the country in the healthcare sector.
Hey, thank you for watching this on CNBC TV18. Hope you liked it. For more such interesting news and updates, follow CNBC TV18 on all the social media platforms.